Hey guys!
Hey everyone!
We're here at Margaritaville Island Hotel in Pigeon Forge.
We got our margaritas.
Yeah.
We got the margarita package with our hotel, which puts the margarita blender in your room, tequila and all that. And we love coming to the island. Never stayed here before. So we're looking forward to that. We got an awesome room. It's a 2-bedroom with a fountain view and a village view.
Yeah.
So we'll give you a tour of that. We'll give you a tour of the whole entire hotel. We'll finish off our margaritas and we'll enjoy the Christmas lights behind us in my big head there. All right, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
All right, we're here outside the Margaritaville Island Hotel now. So this is right here where you come in for the valet and the hotel drop off. Beautiful wreath right there. And then over to your right is the Margaritaville restaurant. And then this is the actual entrance right there between all those columns. You have the coffee shop right there. And this is where the valet is. They have luggage carts up here, and you can drop off as well. And just off in the distance, you see the big Ferris wheel, all the lights up there. And there's the coffee shop right there in front of us. And these doors up here to your left is where you go into the hotel. And we're heading inside now. This is the hotel lobby. So you have check-in right there. Off to your right here, you have a beautiful fireplace. The Latitude bar is over there. Look at that beautiful tree there as well. And I will turn you all the way back around here. There's the coffee shop right there. Look at this photo op right here. That's really cool. And then they normally have a bird in here, but Max is not in there right now. All right, we're up here in our room now. Fountain View F261. Look at this little flip flop. That's your don't disturb sign, the little flip flop. We're gonna head in the room now. And hey, Steph.
Hey,
and this is the 2-bedroom Fountain View room. It's a pretty awesome room. We like it a lot so far. So right as you come in, there's some cool artwork around the wall right there. That's really cool. And then look at this little area right here to your left. You have a little bar area with 2 chairs. They're actually pretty comfortable too. So you can sit right there to eat or have your drinks. And turning around right here, there's the door we just came in. And you have a microwave, a fridge, a sink, coffee maker, all that stuff. It's the Keurig with the Green Mountain coffee. And there is the margarita machine. So right now I told us that at COVID they don't put them in a room unless you buy the package. So that there is a machine there. And this is the package that we got. I believe it was about $60. And so it comes with the 4 cups. You get a lime in there. You get a little knife that you can take with you that says Margaritaville on it. You have your salt there. Cool little shot glasses. Those like silicone ones. It's pretty cool. You have a whole bottle of the Margaritaville mix. And then you have your tequila here. And there's different packages. You can get it with moonshine or you can get it with both. We went for the basic package. I think it was about $60. But you can have your own margaritas in your room. Look at that. Just the artwork in the room's awesome. That's pretty cool. Turning back around, you're going to be thinking, why is there balloons? Steph's birthday. So we're here for Steph's, we'll say 29th birthday. Steph's laughing now. So we did have the balloons up here for her birthday. And a dozen roses there. They're beautiful. And they also got this little card here for Steph too. So that's very nice of them. And it's a little package you can now. There's multiple things you can do here. Chocolates. Just talk to the front desk. So TV right here. Plenty of storage down below. When you check in, they do give you a couple bottles of water. We stopped by the Apple Bar and got some apple cider. And then that bag there is where your waters are in, your lanyard for your room, keys. It's cool they give you a lanyard as well. And the room service menu is in there. And then turning back around, this is the door we just came in. It's a nice chair there. You have a little ottoman there with a little moving part too where you can move it around to eat on, things like that. There's the couch right there. And look at this lamp. It's a seashell lamp. That's pretty awesome. And then, you know I love artwork. So look at this. You got the parrot and Jimmy Buffett and the airplane. That's all pretty cool. And you have the lamp right there. And then turning around here, you have a fireplace right here. That's really nice. This is the second bedroom here. So when you think of a bedroom, don't think of this as a main bedroom with a bathroom attached. There is 2 bathrooms here. But this will be good if you have a couple people just staying with you for a night or two. That you're going to be in the living room and you're going to be out in the island and around Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg anyways. Or this is really perfect for kids. So you have a TV in here and the 2 beds. I'll kind of go in here real quick and show you the bed. So you got 2 beds in here. That's perfect. So if you had a couple guests coming over for a night or so, and you're staying for a couple nights, they can stay with you. Or if you have kids, it's perfect for that. There's a little pocket door there. And this is the closet here. So you have a luggage rack in here. It does have a light that comes on, laundry bag, safe, all that stuff. So your guests can have all that. This is one of our favorite parts about the room. We'll show you now since they're right here by it. This is the first balcony. There's 2 balconies in this room. And look at your view. Wow. Paula Dean's, the fountains, everything. There's all the traffic coming in. And then there's the check-in area right there. So that's where you do your valet at or drop off. But look at this. Paula Dean's, Skyfly, Old Smoky Moonshine. The Build-A-Bear is right there. There's the Ferris wheel. And then there's the fountain show right there. Red and green for Christmas. The Christmas tree right there is not turned on due to weather, we believe, right now. It just got done storming here. But wow. Just look at that view from this room. That is amazing. I want to turn you back around. Oh, before I turn you back around, look at this. It's kind of hard from the back side, but there's a wreath, and we got garland with lights right out here on our balcony. So very Christmassy and very cool. I'm going to turn you back around now. Coming back in the room. That second bedroom is to our right there. Doors to the left. Just a quick look. There's the lanyard you get. That's the lanyard you get right there. When you come down this little hallway here, you have a full-length mirror. Pretty nice sized mirror there. Another cool picture on the wall. To our left is the bedroom, the main bedroom. To our right's the other bathroom. So we'll take a look at the bathroom real quick. Nice mirror there. Nice sink. Very, very clean. Your standard toilet. And they do have all your kind of amenities here. So shampoo, conditioner, soap. They do have the makeup towel, which is pretty cool. They do that. And then right behind us, you got some places to hang towels and things like that. And turning around, you have your shower and tub combo right here. And the door kind of closes on me. But that's your shower and tub combo. And then coming out of here, you have the main bedroom. And so right as you come in the main bedroom, there's the king bed. You have another closet right here to your right. Ignore some of our stuff in there. But there's the robe and laundry bag, and you have your slippers up top. And then this room here, here's your king bed. Looks very comfortable. You have phone there, light there, and another your clock over here, and light. There's also several plugs. There's 2 plugs on each side of the bed, it looks like. You have TV. You have plenty of storage. This is your next bathroom. Hey everyone. Awesome sink again. Very nice makeup towel, same amenities. Standard toilet over here to the right. And that's a nice lighted mirror too. It's really nice. And here's your shower. No tub in the main bedroom. But you do have, I'll walk in real quick. You do have 1 shower head right there. Pretty nice. You have a second rain head shower head right there. And then you have a nice little bench back here. You got a place to sit, everything, and 2 shower heads. And then turning back here, there's the king bed again. Look at this little feature here. This is some of the small touches. It's got the parrots. So you got the parrots there. And then turning here, your second balcony. So you got the same wreath and no garland on this one, but you do have the wreath lit up. Look at this. There's sparkles. There's Earthbound Trading Company right there. This is the village. Look at that. There's the Margaritaville Island Hotel main area right there. And few more rooms right there. I believe that top room is the penthouse room. That's pretty cool. You got that whole top floor to yourself. And there's the check-in area and the coffee shop. But you literally have both views. You get the fountain view and the village view. We were just ending the room tour and the fountain show just started. Hey, Steph. So there's Steph out here. And this is what you'll see from your room if you stay here. Oh, they got the Christmas tree on. I literally just walked in here for the start of the room tour and told them that they had it turned off for weather.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's actually pretty cool. So there's the Christmas tree, the Ferris wheel, and the fountains. And they got another Christmas tree over there to your right. Wow. That's really cool. Yep, there's the wreath again. Showed you a little bit ago. This is amazing. Just gonna show you another pan shot out here. Check-in area, another tree over there, and the big wreath right there. Oh, this is pretty awesome. Let's show you all the coffee shop menu real quick. Breakfast sandwiches are really good. Cold drinks and hot drinks. All their coffee here so far has been really good, so definitely recommend this place here in the lobby. Look at their pastries here. Lots and lots of good options. Look at these cake pops. They're really good. Alrighty, we're here in the fitness room now. There's water complimentary for you. Right over to the right when you come in. Plenty of towels. A place to drop your towels off. They have free weights, treadmills, pretty much all the weights and things you need. Right here at the pool deck now. Nice hot tub there. There's all the cabanas there. And the pool is empty right now for maintenance, it looks like. But still a pretty nice looking pool. There's a look at the big Island Hotel logo there, Margaritaville Island Hotel. And then there's cabanas, you can rent, plenty of seating, and they also have a chill bar over here as well. We're looking at the cabanas now. So they have two cabanas here. This one has two lounge chairs, a table, and a cooler. And then they have a larger one over here. Has the same cooler, a couple of chairs, a table, kind of like a little lounge area there with like the little L-shaped bench. It's pretty cool. From the pool deck here, you do have a nice view of the wheel. That's pretty cool. We're at the edge of the pool now. Some nice tables and umbrellas here. Again, the pool is closed for maintenance for the year, but they have these nice little seats here, the high seats. This is your view you get here. So wow. You got the fountain view, the mountains. At nighttime, this would be fantastic up here. Outside the bar area here, they have some outside seating. They even have some spots here on the table or on the railing here for your drinks. But look at the view you get from this side over here. You get a nice river view all the way down the whole river there. It's pretty nice back here. Hey everyone, it's got done staying here at the Margaritaville Island Hotel. It was a fantastic stay. Absolutely beautiful hotel. Super clean, super friendly staff. The views from the balcony were amazing. The 2-bedroom suite was an awesome room. One of our favorite hotels of all time now. Just can't say enough great things about this hotel. So definitely check it out. Let us know in the comments below if you stayed here before or what your favorite part was. But man, this is a really cool hotel. So definitely check it out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye everybody.